Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, May 20th and 21st, 2017. We're going to have high pressure and control over weather here for Saturday. This mess to our southwest will stay there for the entire weekend. The caveat for this very nice weekend we're going to have with dry conditions expected is that we're going to have more clouds and sun on Sunday, and we're going to have cooler temperatures, much cooler than what we just had with this heat wave that went from Wednesday through Friday. We're going to take a break from the 90s and go back to reality in the lower 70s for most areas here on Saturday, and then might be stuck in the upper 60s to near 70 on Sunday with that increase in clouds. This high pressure here is going to move off the eastern seaboard and set up just to our east here, and that's going to do a couple things. One, it's going to slow the advance of this front, so it's going to keep our weekend dry, but it's also going to create a southeasterly wind with a return flow around that, and that brings more clouds than sun for much of the area. Maybe getting some few peaks of sun in the interior, but mostly just overcast close to the shore points and mostly cloudy in between. So this front will be moving toward the region, and it will come through mainly Sunday night and Monday morning. I think you will have the opportunity for later in the day to have some clearing. Here is a look after midnight Sunday night. You have these showers and perhaps even a thunderstorm moving in. And then when we get into Monday morning, here's a look at Monday morning. Most of it is off to the east and just some few residual clouds and showers in the morning. And then when we get to the very next frame, you can see it's just about moved off the coast. So except for Delaware, South Jersey, maybe the eastern section of New Jersey, we should have some partial clearing from northwest to southeast as this front pushes through. And you'll have a little bit of drying out here for Monday afternoon. It's going to remain warm on both Monday and Tuesday, a little warmer than it was over the weekend. And then when we get to Tuesday here, we have a partly to mostly sunny day. But have to watch this system down here. This is was expected to stay south of the region. This one right here was expected to just slide off the southeastern U.S. coastline, but some model guidance is now trying to bring it up and affect us here on Wednesday. Right now we just have an increase in clouds on Wednesday. Expecting this to stay south, but it can very easily come north and affect the region on Wednesday, and that would mean we have a 1-2 punch of rain coming in for Wednesday, and then again on Thursday. Here's that first system on Wednesday that's projected now to actually Tuesday night and Wednesday to come through here and bring some rain into Wednesday morning, and then you have another system sitting back here over the eastern Great Lakes. This was the original system that we expected to come through Wednesday night and Thursday, and you can see that here. Here's later Wednesday. Here's Wednesday night, and here into early Thursday morning, you have some more rain coming through with this second system, and that will lift off the north, and we have a partly cloudy and dry start to the holiday weekend. We're going to have temperatures going back to near normal, maybe slightly below over the holiday weekend at times. But we do have the opportunity for a few chances of showers and thunderstorms. One is going to be here on Saturday. Doesn't look like a big deal Saturday, though. Might have another little wave of low pressure trying to move toward the area, at least for our southern half of the coverage area here for Sunday. We'll have to fine-tune this forecast as we go a little bit closer, but it does look like we're not going to get through the entire holiday weekend unscathed with no precipitation, and temperatures are going to be near to slightly below normal. So not the best beach weather this weekend to start the beach season. We will have the boat beach forecast starting again this Thursday, and every Thursday throughout the summer prior to the upcoming weekend, and that starts this Thursday before the Memorial Day holiday weekend. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for the weekend, May 20th and 21st, 2017. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.